Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel SSC Aspirants Lalit Thakur. So today we are going to learn grammar for beginners. So we will learn today in grammar that is parts of a speech, which is very important. So let me start without time delay. So before watching this, please subscribe channel and like video. So we have today some parts of a speech. Actually, basically, overall, it's part of a speech, but we will learn some specific. Okay. So first thing is, what is parts of a speech? So parts of a speech which tells us how can we understand of English and which type of we can write. Okay. So like in every language, in grammar available as Hindi, we know in Vyakaran in Hindi, and even though every language they have their own grammars. So in English, this is grammar. So in this, there are eight parts of a speech. So in this, first is noun, second is pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, like that. Eight parts of a major parts of a speech. Major parts of a speech. So let me start sequence wise. We will learn and understand. So first is noun. Okay. First is noun. Okay. Noun. Yes. First is noun. Noun. So um, okay, wait a second. Noun. A noun is, let me change. I think I had to change it. Yes, this is busy one. Yeah. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. A noun is a word that names a person, place or thing or idea. एक वह नाम जो वह एक नाउन वह चीज होती है जो किसी व्यक्ति का नाम, किसी जगह का नाम, किसी वस्तु का नाम और कोई आइडिया के नाम. Examples: teacher. Teacher is person. Doctor. Doctor is, we can say, as a profession. Okay, but as a, we can say, it also comes in person. Book is a thing. Okay. School is place. So we that learned a noun is a bird that names a person, place, thing or idea. We call that noun. Okay. Example: the dog. Dog is thing. Okay. Because dog is not person, not place, not idea. So dog will consider anything. Okay. Ran across the park. Park is place. Okay. So we have learned noun. Okay. Now we will learn pronoun. Okay, let me sequence wise. No, this is pronoun. We will learn pronoun. So pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes a place of a noun. Okay. It means एक ऐसा word जो noun की जगह पर आ जाए उसको pronoun कहते हैं. Okay. Example: he, she, they, it. as I write Ram eats mango. Now I write he goes to school. So Ram is here a person as a noun, as a noun. Okay, let me change. Yes, and he is a pronoun. He is pronoun because we used replace of noun. We used here he. Okay, I hope you understand. Example, that is she. She is pronoun. She is pronoun. She loves reading books. Okay. Now we will learn verb. Okay. So in verb, that is, a verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. Example, am, is, are, run, jump, read. एक वो है ऐसा शब्द जो क्या करता है, एक्सप्रेस, बोध करता है या बताता है हमें किसका, क्रिया, एक्शन माने क्रिया, स्टेट जो चीज स्थित है उस चीजों के बारे में. लाइक द कैट जम्प्स. सो जम्प्स इज अ एक्शन ऑन द टेबल. ओके, इट मीन्स बिल्ली मेज पर कूदती है. ओके, एंड इफ आई सेड आई एम. Okay, I am. So this is a am is a verb. Okay, when we learn topic wise as a divide day, so we will learn in more deeply knowledge. Okay, now we have next is adjective. No, adverb. Sorry, adverb. That is adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay, it is describe a verb. An adjective, it's describe also an adjective or another adverb. It often end an ly. मतलब ये क्या बताता है, डिस्क्राइब, वर्णन करता है एक वर्ब का, और एक एडजेक्टिव का भी वर्णन करता है कभी कोई, और अदर एडवर्ब का भी करता है. और ये कभी समटाइम्स, मतलब ज़्यादातर जो वर्ड के लास्ट होता है वो एल वाई रहता है वर्ड के लास्ट में. एग्जाम्पल्स, क्विकली, वेरी, वेल, हैप्पीली. ओके, एंड ब्यूटीफुली हो सकते हैं. सी रैन क्विकली टू कैच द बस. तो सी रैन, हाउ सी रैन क्विकली टू कैच द बस. Now we have next, that is adjective. Okay, so in adjective we will learn like that. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, examples, happy, blue, large, three. These all are adjective which like ये हमें बताते हैं कोई चीज किस प्रकार की है, कैसी है, उसकी क्वालिटी क्या है. जैसे इफ पर्सन, लाइक मोहन इज हैप्पी. तो हाउ इज मोहन हैप्पी. एंड इफ आई सेड a ball is blue. How is ball blue? Okay. The field is large. How is field large? Okay. There are three girls. Okay. How many girls there? Three. Sorry, three. Okay. So the happy is adjective. Okay. The, the happy child played with the blue ball. Okay. Next is we have preposition. Okay. In preposition, that is like this is very important play role in our grammar. So definition is a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. एक preposition जो शब्द होता है वो हमें दिखाता है, संबंध दिखाता है किन किन के बीच नाउन और प्रोनाउन और अदर शब्दों सेंटेंस के जो अदर वर्ड होते हैं उनके बीच का. एग्जाम्पल इन, ऑन, एट, वाई, फॉर, with, about. The book is book is here noun as a on, because it's connecting on the table. Okay. If I said I am with you. Okay. So this is with also as a preposition. Next we have conjunction. Okay. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples and, but, or, because, so. So I wanted to play outside, but it started to rain. A conjunction is a word that connects word, phrase और clauses. Conjunction एक ऐसा word है जो जोड़ता है किसको, phrases को और clauses को. अब I wanted to play outside. This is a clause. But is conjunction. It started to rain. It is also clause. So but ने क्या किया, जोड़ दिया, connect. Okay. Next is we have interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or surprise. जो इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड होता है ये किसी के स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन बताता है और चीज़ें, कोई जब इंसान आश्चर्यचकित रह जाता है तब की बात बताता है. जैसे वाव. एग्जाम्पल्स वाव, ओ नो, या, लाइक दैट. ओप्स, लाइक दैट. एग्जाम्पल वाव, दैट्स अ बिग डॉग. Okay. Yeah, this type of interaction. So we have learned overall 8 parts of speech. Okay. Thank you for watching and like this video and subscribe channel.